Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. A former diplomat is demanding more follow-up from law enforcement after major gun busts. While commending recent seizures at Montego Freeport, retired Ambassador Curtis Ward says the public should also be hearing of more arrests. Giovanni Dennis reports.
2 intercepted shipments a week apart, 81 firearms seized, the same port in Montego Bay, St. James. Police say the seizures are intelligence-driven, but one retired diplomat is raising concerns.
It is a bit troubling, however, when we see these big announcements about these guns being found. We are not seeing any arrests along with the discovery of the guns, and that is troubling. Are the law enforcement agencies operating with intelligence as they claim they are just merely operating on the basis of a tip?
Former Ambassador Dr. Curtis Ward insists intelligence should go further than gun-find announcements.
If intelligence is involved, they would have been able to trace not only the origin of the shipment, but also the destination for the shipment. And if you have that kind of information, you would be able to announce major arrests along with the announcement of the find.
But he also notes United States intelligence agencies historically share little with overseas law enforcement when there's mistrust. While not claiming that this is so currently, he wants local lawmen to do more.
Traditionally, the U.S. is skeptical about sharing intelligence whenever there is limited trust in the recipient's ability to keep the intelligence confidential. So the U.S. may very well be informing Jamaica law enforcement that a shipment is on its way and will arrive at a certain point in time. Now, the Jamaican law enforcement has to take this further. They should then set up the delivery of the guns in such a way that they can catch those who are the recipients.
He's calling on Jamaican authorities to demand more of their U.S. counterparts.
They should put pressure on the United States law enforcement to prosecute those who are illegally shipping the guns to Jamaica, assuming that the U.S. government knows who they are.
Dr. Ward was speaking on Radio Jamaica's That's a Wrap with Earl Moxham on Sunday. The police say they are confident they will find those responsible for sending illegal weapons to Jamaica. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.